learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for another edition of Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this whole month, we're teaching you a situation where you want to ask someone out, and you just ask simply, "Do you have time?" 有空吗？
有闲吗？
有闲吗 ？OK, that's do you have time? 你知道，在国外可能大家都是自行会去这个教会，可是这边我有时候约朋友啊，就是说啊，要不要下午去哪里，或者周末去哪里？他们都说不行要跟家
里的人
拜拜，对，或者跟朋友约一起拜拜也有。How about put that scenario here on the air? Like you want to ask someone out, but they're busy because they have to go to the temples. That's something that's very common in the Chinese culture. Maybe with their family to do some prayers. 拜拜。OK, 明天下午有空吗？
天公下主，
天公下主，
有闲吗？
有闲吗 ？OK, 有闲吗 again, that's do you have time? 天公下主
就是明天下午。
天公是明天的意思咯。
天公你啦。
哦，天公你对嘛 ？That means tomorrow 天公 ，and then 下主就是下午。
对
，in the afternoon, do you have time?
那海陆腔的下午叫做下主。
下主，下主。Bless you， 哈啾，我们去拜拜了。
去拜拜，保佑身体健康。
That is so cute. A different dialect sounds like 哈啾，but
不是哈啾啦，是哈啾。
哈啾 ，OK, that's a different dialect for afternoon. 好，我刚刚讲嘛，很多时候就是比如说我约你啊，结果你要跟家人拜拜嘛，
所以我就会回答你啊，冇，爱爱老，
爱爱老，
屋下人，
屋下人，
乡下去。
乡下去
拜牙，
拜牙啦，拜牙就是拜拜了，拜牙 that means the prayers or the 拜拜。爱爱老 that means I need to go with my family 跟家人。屋下人 that's my family to go 拜拜。
冇爱爱老，屋下人乡下去拜牙。
哦，那下次再约咯。Let's find another date, OK? 下次再约。
记住下一拜，张来约。
张来了再讲一次。
记住下一拜，张来约。
记住下一拜，张来约。Okay, let's review some of these phrases. There's a lot. 下午 that's afternoon.
下主，
下主，下主 and then to go 拜拜 prayers.
拜牙，
拜牙 and finally 再约吧。
张来约，
张来约 and it's all about do you have time? 有空吗？
有闲吗
？Yeah, 有闲，我要听到有哦，下次。
Okay.
That's for today's Practical Hakka.
是母太家。
俺是谁张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.